So guys, I just got back from my spring break trip up to Canada. Did a little bit of skiing to close out the winter season. Usually some people will try to go somewhere that's warm for their spring break, but me, I went somewhere cold with my girlfriend and also my friend Max. While I was up there, again, I did some skiing in the Blue Mountains, but I also had some time to fly my drone, and I want to share that footage with you guys. This video is going to be very short. I didn't get a lot of time to fly my drone. I flew in two different locations. The first place was around a lighthouse. That was really cool. And the second place is somewhere you may be familiar with. If you guys saw my last video where I flew my drone in a different country, which was Canada, of course. But anyway, hope you guys enjoy this video. It's going to be very short. Again, probably only like 6 or 7 shots, but they're really awesome, and I really want to share them with you guys. So, hope you guys enjoy.